Good morning, everyone. So today we're gonna explore net bias. So first, what is net bias? Net bias, which stands for Network Basic Input or Output System, was developed in 1980s to help computers communicate over local networks, essentially to provide a way for applications on different computers to interact with each other even in early networking environments. So, why do we need to use net bias? So, first, it simplifies local network communication, enables identification for computers in the network, and supports data exchange and network resource sharing. So, basically, maka-communicate ka within sa imong network, pwede ka maka-send og files o pwede ka maka-message to different computers nga naka-connect sa the same nga network. So the main purpose of NetBIOS is to make network communication easier. It lets computers recognize each other by name and enables data sharing across network. NetBIOS has been especially useful in small networks where quick and simple communication is needed. So, for example, pwede ka message. So, mo-message ka sa lain nga PC og hi. So, pwede ra ka maka-message og dali-dali. Then, network bias core functions. So, there are three main core functions. Name service, net bias NS identifies devices on a network. Datagram service sends small data packets, and session service establishes reliable connections to TCP. NetBIOS offers three main services that help devices on a network communication. First, the name service. This allows devices to be identified by name rather than IP address. So, if na kay multiple nga computer, maka-nimong makita kay ang name nila. So, dali ra ang pag-identify sa usa ka computer. Datagram service provides a quick connectionless way to send data packets, and session service creates a reliable session-based connection for secure data exchange. So next, data bias name service. So NetBIOS name service or NetBIOS NS allows each computer on the network to have a unique name. This makes it easier to identify and communicate with other devices without needing to remember their IP address. So, ma-identify ra nimo dayon ng uban PC. No need na nga mo remember sa ilang mga IP address. So, mas dali na lang. Datagram service, so UDP. Used for quick, short messages, ideal for small networks where data reliability is not critical. So, the datagram service, also known as NetBIOS DGM, allows for fast data transmission without a dedicated connection. This service is perfect for sending small, non-essential data packets quickly, like notification or simple messages. So, mga hi, dali ra na using UDP. Session service. NetBIOS session service or SSN is used to establish reliable connections between computers on a network. This service works with TCP to ensure the data is received accurately, which is crucial for larger, more important data exchange. So, para sa nang mag-transfer ka og kuan from PC to PC, mag-transfer ka og large file. So, TCP kay mas kuan siya, mas reliable siya if larger files. Whereas sa UDP for small lang silang na packets. Then next, NetBIOS fit in today. Although NetBIOS has largely been replaced by modern protocols like DNS, it's still useful in some Windows networks and smaller LAN environments. NetBIOS is great for basic network tasks, especially in older or simpler network setups. So, in conclusion, NetBIOS was a pioneering protocol for a local network communication, making it easy for devices to interact with each other. While it's been largely replaced by newer technologies, it still serves a purpose in specific network setups today. So that's it. Thank you.